अब यह चिड़िया कहाँ रखेगी? Where will the bird stay now? अब means now. चिड़िया means bird. कहाँ? You know, yes, where. So this is a poem to teach us the importance of the trees and that affectionate with the birds and animals. Anti aye jor sor se dali toot gaye jagor se. The doopan came very strongly, and the tree branches were broken here very heavily. Uda Kosala Bechariga. The Bechari means helpless. Here helpless means the birds, the helpless birds. Nest were fly off. किससे अपनी बात कहोगी? To whom it will say that. अब यह चिड़िया कहाँ रखेगी? Where the birds will stay now. हम खोला अलमारी को, बुला रखेंगे बेचारी को. We opened the almara. We opened the almaras and we are calling the helpless bird. पर वो चींची कराती है. But it's a twinkling, it's a chirpings. घर में तो वो नहीं रखेगी. It's not living in that house. It's not living in the house. अब यह चिड़िया कहाँ रखेगी? Where will the bird stay now? पर पेड़ कहाँ से लाएं? But where can we bring a trees in the home? कैसे घोंसला बनाएंगे? How do we make the nest? कैसे फूटे अंडे को जोड़ेंगे? How do we fix that broken eggs? Broken egg. फूटे means broken. अंडे egg जोड़ना means fix. किससे यह सब बात कहोगी? To whom we will say these all things. अब यह चिड़िया कहाँ रखेगी? Where the birds will stay now. This poem emphasizes one day's biggest problem of deforestation, in which poets depict the problems of gradual decrease of trees and by asking the questions that where these birds will live. So we should protect the birds and animals in the summer times, giving the waters, grains and some trees. Planting trees also help for that birds and animals. Angti means stone, Konsala, nest, Bechari, helpless, Chidiya, sparrow, bird, almari, almara, gar, house, पेड़, tree, फूटे, broken, अंडे, egg. डाली क्यों टूट गई? Why the tree branches were broken. Break. डाली आंधी आने से टूट गई. The tree branch was broken by the storms. आंधी में क्या उड़ गया? What is fly off in the storms? The क्या means what? Instead of this what, you write the answer with घोंसला. आंधी में घोंसला उड़ गया. The storms, the nest was fly off in the storms. बच्चों किसे बुला रखेंगे? To whom the children are calling. बच्चे चिड़िया को बुला रखेंगे. So instead of this किसको, you write the चिड़िया को to bird. The children are calling the birds. बच्चे चिड़िया के बारे में क्या सोच कर दुखी गए? What the children are thinking to worry about the birds. बच्चे चिड़िया के बारे में यह सोच कर दुखी गए. The children are worried to thinking about the birds that घोंसला उड़ जाने के बाद चिड़िया अब कहाँ रखेगी? After fly of the nest, now the birds were living. Next, yes or no. आंधी जोर से आई थी. The storms came very forcefully, heavily. Yes. आंधी में पेड़ उड़ गया. In the storms, the trees are fly off. No, the tree is not fly off. The nest is fly off. So नहीं. बच्चे चिड़िया को पकड़ लिया. The children are catch the birds. पकड़ लेना means catch. चिड़िया bird you know. No, they not catch it. चिड़िया करके अंदर आ गई. The birds come inside the house. Came inside the house. घर house. No, it's not come inside the house. Next, they write the lines related to the pictures. Broken tree branches. आंधी आई जोर शोर से, डाली टूट गई चकोर से. the storms came very forcefully, and the tree branches are broken